Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to block adult content or adult videos on your YouTube. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to block adult content or adult videos on your YouTube, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your YouTube app. In bottom, you will find your profile icon. Tap on that. In top right side corner, you will find this gear icon which is called settings. Tap on that. Under account, you will find first option general. Tap on this. Here you will find restricted mode. You have to just enable this option. After enabling, your YouTube will block all the adult contents. That's it guys. So this way you can block adult content or adult videos on your YouTube. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.